Got a MK3 Supra, just put a 1JZ twin turbo in it. As you can see, the last video I did, we didn't have the wiring covered because we were making sure it ran good. Now we got the car all wired up. Note that I wanted to say that most people don't talk about, this has got a traction control system. We removed the secondary door or throttle flap because we're not using traction control, and you notice it has another TPS. Well, the TPS signal and idle signal are still needed in the ECU to have this car run good. So if this TPS isn't being used, you just tee off from this TPS and insert two inputs into the ECU, making the car idle good and run good. Just a side note, if anybody's had that problem with traction control or removing the traction control. So go ahead and start it. Nice, clean, smooth idle. Car revs up really nice and cleanly. Really healthy. So the next video should be of us actually driving the car on the street and seeing how it performs. The only other thing is we got boost gauge still working, the oil temp or oil pressure gauge, check engine lights off, the ABS is working, fuel gauge, speedo, tack works. We got an oil temp gauge up here and a boost gauge, and then the coolant. So all the gauges are working properly. The power steering's hooked up and so forth. Other than that, next video we should have the car driving.